Okay, number 26. 26 is pretty tricky, and I actually considered skipping it because it is a little bit over the top, but I'm going to do it anyway. So here we go. Okay, before I do that one, let me remind you of a simpler derivative. If I asked for the derivative of the natural log of 5x, that derivative would be 1 over 5x times the derivative of 5x, so times 5. And yeah, that one would simplify to just 1 over x. Okay, so when you're doing the derivative of the natural log, the derivative of the natural log of u is 1 over u times the derivative of u. Okay, that's what you need to keep in mind when you're doing this problem. So this derivative is going to be 1 over the square root of x times the derivative of the square root of x. So I have to figure out what the derivative of the square root of x is. Okay, well that's x to the 1/2 power. The derivative of that is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which we've seen a bunch of, so it's 1 over 2 root x. So let's put that in over here. We had 1 over square root of x, and now I'm going to add to that 1 over 2 root x. And I can simplify by just multiplying straight across, and this is 1 over 2x dx. Okay, that was probably where the difficulty was on this one. From here, it should be straightforward. Okay, we have our u right there, but we need a 2 in the denominator right here, and it's really a 1/2, so we're going to balance it out with a 2 over 1. Okay, I bet you can probably take it from here, so give it a shot, hit pause, and I'm going to finish it for you in a second. Okay, so rewriting this, I have 2, there's a 1, from 1 to 4, I have the natural log of the square root of x. I'm going to scooch the 2x over. And now I think it's pretty clear that you have a u, all of that is u. So this is just a u and a du. And by the way, that's not 1 over u. That's not going to give a natural log. This is a u to the first power. So you're just going to do a power rule. Add 1 to the exponent and divide by the result. Don't confuse that with the integral of this. This would be natural log. Okay, that's not what we've got. We've got u to the first on the top. All right, getting my u bounds. Plugging in a 1 for x right here, we get the natural log of 1, which is 0. Plugging in a 4, we get the natural log of 2. Okay, integrating, we bring down the 2, and we do a power rule, u squared over 2, and the 2's cancel. Evaluated from u equals 0 to u equals the natural log of 2. All right, this is funky. All right, plugging in the natural log of 2, I get the natural log of 2 quantity squared. Plugging in a 0, I get 0. So this is just the natural log of 2 quantity squared. And sometimes they'll write that as the natural log of 2 like squared, like you do with sine and cosine. So let me check the answer and see how they wrote it, but that's the gist of it. That one was pretty tricky. Don't feel bad about that one. I mean, I like to give the more challenging ones just in case and to make you think, but don't stress out over it. You know what I'm saying? All right, hope that helped. Hope you're doing well. Keep asking your questions. Don't be shy. I like doing the math. It's fun for me. Bye.